each. We're at 14 and change each. So I want you to pick that up for the lips. Now, we are going to talk about the Ultimate Eye Serum, because one of the most difficult areas to treat are the eyes, right? The eye area. This is now a targeted 4-in-1 anti-aging eye treatment serum that's been clinically tested to instantly, listen to this, hydrate, firm, brighten, and smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles all around the eye, not just on the under eye, but on the lids as well, to give you a more youthful and tighter looking eye area. So we're getting both of them. Each of them is normally a $105 value. Look, they're on a diagonal. Each of them are $105. It's a $200 value. We are saving $16 on one. But I put them over here like this. $16 on one. We're saving and getting another one thrown in for free, plus free shipping and handling. This sold out last 3 times on air, and last time was 2 months ago in January. It's back in the house now, doctor.
So you brought up a very good point. What you need for the eye is different than what you need for the neck. What makes this different is that it treats the entire eye area. Look at this before and after. The crow's feet, dramatically improved. The area under the eye, the creases are gone.
Wow.
But look at the upper eyelid. If you're not treating the entire 360 degrees of your eye, you're missing half the problem. Those upper eyelids sag. They get wrinkled. This is clinically proven to firm, tighten, and increase elasticity. That's what we lose as we get older. That's why the eyelids sag.
I love a serum. I do love an eye cream as well, but I've always been a fan of a serum, and I would love for you, doctor, I just put a lot on just to show everyone, this beautiful like gel. It is lightweight as can be. I just put it on my hand. It already absorbed, which is fantastic. But tell me the difference between a serum and, for example, an eye cream.
Well, a cream is going to be thicker. I like this serum because it has, if you look very, very close, if you can zoom in on this, you're going to see these little luminescent circles. These circles are liquid crystal technology. We are the only ones in the world to have this one ingredient. What it does is increases luminosity and radiance. It has to be in a double pearl technology. This is the liquid crystal in one pearl, and then you've got a hyaluronic acid pearl in another. Luminosity and radiance. That's what makes your eyelids look good. That's what improves brightness. You've got the crushed diamonds. You've got 3 different types of peptides, 22 organic extracts, kelp to make the skin smoother, and I'll explain to you why you have 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. These are all combined in one, and it's going to give you hydration, smoothness, firmness, increased elasticity, and the elasticity is so important, not just for the lower eyelids, but for the crow's feet and the upper eyelids. And again, instant, one treatment, hydration, firmness, lines, wrinkles, all in one.
And dark circles too, right, doctor?
Right, because the liquid crystal technology is going to brighten the skin. We all have, look at her lower eyelids. Not just does she have the wrinkles, but she has discoloration, uneven skin tone. Whether it's due to sun damage or whether it's due to vascularity, nobody likes it. You don't like it?
No,
I don't
please.
Like it. Look at the crow's feet. This is not an injection. These before and afters, they were not allowed to use anything else other than my diamond contour technology. It's clinically proven to increase hydration by 31%. You know what brightening dark circles means? Less concealer. You're not going to get it bunching up under the creases.
Correct.
Look at the upper eyelid. It is so much better. The crow's feet going all the way from the side of the eye, along the entire lower half of the eye, up to the upper eyelid. Again, if you're not treating the upper eyelid, you're missing half the problem.
Correct.
These are 2 weeks. 93% said their eyes look smoother, softer, hydrated. They looked brighter, younger, more evenly toned. The evenly toned, that's due to the liquid crystal technology. One product in the world has it, That's the KAPLAN MD Diamond Contour technology. 90% said their skin looked firmer, tighter. The fine lines and wrinkles were visibly reduced. The skin around the eye had increased elasticity. Again,
Yeah.
a claim that is very difficult to prove measured-wise. You can say it feels that way, but if you don't measure it with a cutometer, how do you know it's for real? And then their eyes look more youthful. That's the key.
So amazing. And a lot of the things that we have, you can't use all the way around the eye. There's so many serums and creams that they're like just for the under eyes.
Just for the under eye. And let me explain. I mentioned, okay, so what you do is you pump it out. That liquid crystal technology is going to break as you pump it out. You rub it around the eyes and then you just pat it in. And for most of my patients, that's all they need.
Okay.
Now let me explain. I mentioned about the 4 different types of hyaluronic acid. Why 4? A lot of brands will say, oh, I have hyaluronic acid, like it's all the same. It's not. Different molecular weights, different size hyaluronic acid will treat different depths and sizes of creases. You can't fit a big block into a small crease. You need the right size hyaluronic acid to get to the right size crease. So by giving you 4 different size molecular weight hyaluronic acid, 4 different types, you're going to cover every single crease there is.
Wow. That makes sense. It makes total sense. But we don't know some of things that say hyaluronic acid, we don't know for which crease is that going to work.
That's why you're able to get 31% increased hydration and reduced lines and wrinkles, firmer, tighter, more elastic skin. Look at the upper eye. To me, this is what separates this from not having younger looking eyes.
Wow.
The lines look better. This is not surgery. The size of the eyes, the lines are gone. This is not injections. Look at this eye. Look at this eye. She's got very prominent upper eyelids.
Yes.
And what else are you going to do to get rid of those creases?
Well, there's not much, right?
This is one use. These are profound visible changes. You don't have to look and scratch your head and say, hey, do I see a difference? Do I not see a difference? You see this difference. 22 organic extracts. You've got anti-aging serum. This is only brought to you after I've clinically tested it. Then I tested in my own patients and oh, look at these crow's feet. I have to interrupt myself. Look at the crow's feet. Look at the corners of the eyes. Look at the upper eyelid. Look at the lower eyelid. People look at your eyes all day. They look at you. You're supposed to look at people in the eye, and you don't want them to think you look older.
Correct. And if you want to really do something that's effective but easy, you use this right here. It's $105 each of them because you're getting 2, but we're doing it. I'm going to help you save $16 for one, and I'm going to give you another one thrown in for free. Plus, free shipping and handling. This keeps selling out, so get this, and get this now because it's a hot pick, so it's even going to sell out this time. Yes?
You know why you want to? Because other eye serums, you're only doing the lower eyelid. This one, you're going to need to because you have to do the 360 degrees all the way
So
around.
good. So if I do diamond contour, 1 minute, and then I use this on my eyes,
You're set.
I am set, baby, with real crushed diamonds, which I love. So if you want to see all of the collection that Dr. Kaplan brings us, you can find it all on QVC.com. Just type in Dr. Kaplan and you will see all of the diamond contour line right there, including our brand new Today's Special Value. All right, now we talked about one of the most neglected places on the body, which is the neck.